This Odoo training video is prepared by Unicom ERP, a division of Easy to Learn company, an Odoo partner. If you need any Odoo support, please feel free to contact us. The solution provided here is a customized solution for Saudi Arabia. In this video we will be looking at the recruitment process in Odoo 17. An effective recruitment strategy is the main responsibility of the Human Resources Department of an organization. The Odoo 17 Recruitment Module can help you determine the ideal hires for your business. First of all, let's look at the configurations that has to be done. Under Job Position we can configure the stages and employment types. In the stages we can add different stages in the recruitment process by clicking on the Add New button. In Employment Types, we can see the list of pre-configured employment types in the window. These employment types can be used while we create job applications. To configure a new type, click on the New button. Type in the name. You can choose the country also. So this is how we configure employment types. Next we have the configuration screen for the creation of sources and mediums used for recruitment. Sources refer to the source form where the candidate learned about the job opportunity. We can see what sources already we have in Odoo. Additionally, we can create new sources also. Applications for jobs will be received via a variety of channels, including Facebook, email, and even direct mail. The medium option allows for the configuration of such mediums. To include new media, click the New button. It is possible to include the qualification degree in the application. The degree section allows for the configuration of such degrees. Next is the configuration of refuse reasons. Here we can configure the reasons why an employee application is rejected. We can see the already set refuse reasons. To add a new one, click on the New button. Add description. Under the email template, you can choose the template of the email that will be sent to the candidate upon the rejection. Tags are used for searching purposes. The New button allows you to create new tags. Next, we can look at the creation of departments. We can see the already available departments here. Click on New button to create a new one. Type in the department name. Select the manager for the department and enter the employees, and select the parent department here. Next is the configuration of skill types. You can add the skill name and add corresponding skills under it. Click on New button. Enter the skill type. Under that, enter the skills related to it. We can also add levels for the skill created. There may be different level of knowledge for each skills. Levels under it. You can add the name of the level and progress against each. We can also set any level as default level for this skill. So based on the skill level of each candidate, you can select it. Next is the configuration of activity types. Under activity types, we can see the default activities available here, such as email, call, meeting, etc. Click on New button to create a new activity. Give the name of activity. Under action, you can choose the action to be triggered for this activity. Choose the default user if any. Provide summary for the activity here. If the activity is to be kept as done in the activity page, enable Keep Done. Here we can also chain and schedule the next activity to be done after the completion of this activity. You can choose to suggest or trigger the next activity. Select the activity to be done after this activity. Select email template. Enter the number of days before executing the action here. Now let's look at the creation of a new job application. Go to Applications by Job Positions. This will list the job applications by job positions. We can change the view from here. Also, we can filter the applications by department. Click on New button to create a new job application based on a new job position. Here you can add the job position name. Add the email through which application can be received and click on Create. You can see the new job position created below. Click on the 3 dots and click on Configuration. You can select the department, employment type, set the target of employees from here. The interviewers and recruiters can also be selected. Under Job Summary, provide the job description. Now go back to the dashboard. Click on the 3 dots and click on the application under New section to create a new application. Enter the name of the applicant. You can enter phone, email, etc. Select the degree. Select the interviewers and recruiter. You can enter the evaluation of the applicant here. Select the source and medium. Select the date of availability of candidate for working. Enter tags. Under Job section, select the job position and department of the job. In the Contract section, you can enter the expected salary by applicant and proposed salary by the organization. Under the Application Summary page, users can add an application's description. The applicant's relevant talents can be added within the Skills tab. You can add the skill and level of the skill here. Now you can save the application. You can select the stage at which this application is now from above. Once the contract is signed, the employee will be marked as hired. You can also choose to refuse the application by clicking on the Refuse button. Select the reason of refusal. Select the email template to send the email and click on Refuse. Now the applicant is marked as refused. These are the major things regarding the creation of a job application and its processing. Now go back to the dashboard. Here we can see each job position and the details of number of employees to recruit and number of applications received. If we click on the new application, you can view the applications in Kanban view, and these applications can be moved from one stage to another by just dragging it. Now we can look at the scheduling of activity. Click on the Activities option here. Click on Schedule Activity. Select the applicant. Give the summary due date and assignee. Click on Schedule to schedule the activity. Now the activity is scheduled. The activity scheduled for today will be marked in yellow, and for future will be marked in green. Now you can view all applications by clicking on Application, All Applications. This is all about the recruitment process in Odoo 17. Thank you.